Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's see how to convert your gift card balance in your Amazon wallet to cash. I'm not sure how to do bank transfer, but I can definitely show you all how to convert it into cash. It's a little hectic process, but yeah, it will definitely convert your gift card balance to cash. So let's quickly get in the video and see that. Hope you all like it. Please enjoy. So if you see here, there's the Amazon balance which I have right now, 12,600 something, and you cannot directly transfer this amount to bank. You'll have to always follow some indirect methods. A lot of people share a lot of methods, to transfer it to bank. A lot of things, a lot of options they have given. And then there are some third-party app which is not even trustworthy. Those kinds of app will have to depend on to transfer the amount back to bank, which I don't believe is secure. So I'll show you all how you can convert it into cash. I'll not tell you all how to transfer it back to your bank, but I'll definitely tell you all how to convert it into cash. So what you can do is basically you can look for gold, 1 gram or 2 gram gold, whatever you're going to get with 12,000 rupees gold coin. So let me search for 2 grams. But the price won't be as per the market rate right now, so it will be slightly higher. So you can definitely buy this if you go here and click on buy now. If you see here, you can make use of your Amazon Pay balance for buying this gold. So if you think the price is slightly higher or it's not as per the market value, then I would not recommend you to purchase gold coin directly on Amazon. What you can do is go back to the previous tab. Instead of searching for gold coin, search for gold watches. So you'll get different jewelers gift card. So one is Joy Alucas, then there is Tanish, Kalyan. There are a lot. Look for the one where it's written redeemable at showroom. And if in Joy Alucas, I believe you can redeem at any showroom. So here you'll have to select a predefined value over here. Or you can also add custom amount as well if you want to put the whole amount 12,500, then you can do that as well here. So that gift card also you'll get e-gift card will be generated. So either Joy Alucas or Kalyan Jewelers you can prefer. Even Kalyan Jewelers you can enter any custom amount 12,500. So whichever is preferable, you can choose that particular jewelers, but make sure it's redeemable at showroom. And then you can enter to whom you're sending and purchase this. So let me quickly do that. So I have given the email. Now let me go and proceed with the purchase. Click on buy now. So I'm trying to utilize the whole gift card amount 12,600. Here you can select pay with your Amazon Pay balance. So there'll be 2% discount also which you'll get. Though I have given to 12,600, you'll see 12,348 is being used. So let me try to increase this and give some 12,800 maybe to match with the pay balance, or maybe 900. Let's try this and give the email address again. Proceed to buy now. Now if you see, it says 12,648, so I will proceed with this one, use this method, and I don't have to pay anything extra. Click on use payment method. You can select any address you want. Just select this one, but also make sure it's e-gift card. So it says e-gift card over here, so that you don't have to wait for a few days to get the actual gift card. If it's e-gift card, it will be quick. And click use this address. Already I've selected, I don't know what's happening, but yeah. So it says promotion applied, 258 rupees. So 2% discount also we have got. So I don't have to pay anything. It says order total is zero. Now click on place your order. Voila, order is placed, and soon you should be getting a mail with the voucher as well. It says within 5 minutes, estimated delivery. Occasionally, delivery may be delayed. So let's wait for some time to receive the voucher, and then we can go to any nearest Kalyan Jewelers and try to redeem this. You can either buy a gold coin, or if you want to buy anything else, you can do that. But if you buy the gold coin, then there won't be any making charge. You can buy with the actual gold rate, and then later on you can sell it to someone else or some other jewelers. That way you will get the money back. You can convert the Amazon gift card to cash. So that's how you convert the gift card balance to cash. So now once we receive this, let's go to nearest Kalyan Jewelers and try to redeem this there. So this is how you get the email with the gift voucher. You can go to the nearest Kalyan Jewelers and redeem this. So also one more thing is, if you see the 6 point, they have clearly mentioned you cannot use it for gold coins and silver coins. But you can try your luck and see if you are able to redeem this at any Kalyan Jewelers to buy any gold coins, so that you get the gold coins at the market price and there won't be any making charges. You can try it yourself and let me know in the comments. So yeah, that's all in the video, guys. Hope you all liked the video. Hope this was useful. If it was useful, let me know in the comments, and do subscribe. Also like and share the videos. So yeah, let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.